Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain on Google Pixel 10 Pro. So first, go into the settings of your phone. In here, find battery. Now we have the battery saver, and enable the standard battery saver. Also, you can enable the extreme battery saver, but that includes all changes listed above the standard battery saver. Also pauses non-essential apps and their notifications, so it can restrict your system very. And now go from here into the display and touch. Lower the brightness or use the adaptive brightness. You can disable the enhanced HDR brightness. Disable always on display. Lower the screen timeout to around 1 minute. And disable the smooth display. Now scroll from the top and disable every feature you're not currently using, for example an internet, Wi-Fi or a Bluetooth. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.